Okay, we have our HURCO model VM10Ui 5-axis machining center. Serial number H-VUO183. This machine was new in 2013 and it is running. This machine has a built-in trunnion table that has a 7.8-inch PLATEN. He's running the Z-axis down. The machine is running right now. It's a Cat 40 spindle, which has 10,000 RPM max. You have the side-mounted tool changer, 20 ATC, 20 position automatic tool changer. He's running the Y as well. That's your X. So you have 21 inches of X travel, 16 of Y, and 19 of Z. Then you also have, in table tilt, 30 in plus, 120 in minus, and you have 360 degree rotation or 360,000 degree rotation of the PLATEN in the C. Right now the spindle is running at 1500 RPM. Maybe we can speed her up. 4,000 RPM. Again, it goes up to 10. 6,000 RPM. Machine is quiet. 8,000 RPM. Great. So the machine has a HURCO MINMAX mill conversational control. You have a spindle chiller, cooling system, and a chip auger. And we're going to do a tool change. Just finding the tool. There you go. We'll do one more. Okay, so you've seen all 5 axes move, you saw it do a tool change, and you saw the spindle rev up to 8,000 RPM. Hey, thank you for watching our video.